my channel. Adeola here. In this channel, you have access to educative and informative content on cryptocurrency and blockchain. In today's video, we are going to discuss how to buy crypto in Nigeria with P2P and Cashlink. Okay, before we get right into it, kindly like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on notifications so that you can know when I post the next video. Thank you. Okay, so we want to see how you can buy crypto in Nigeria using Binance P2P and Binance Cashlink. Cashlink was recently introduced. I have done several tutorial videos on how to buy crypto using P2P. You can go through my YouTube channel. However, this is the latest update as regards that. It is the same thing with only few features added to the Binance P2P platform. So let's get right into it. On this home page, you see P2P trading directly, but if it's not there on your home page, just go to more. So once you get to more, go to the trade section. Just continue to scroll down or scroll sideways. That's to the left. You can see the tabs here, or you can directly go down this way, so until you get to trade. So as you get to trade, click on P2P. By the way, for new users, P2P means peer-to-peer. That is, you are buying directly from an individual. It's not buying and selling these crypto assets to you. However, you don't need to be scared as you are buying from individuals. Binance ensure the security of this platform. You can never be scammed once you follow the procedures that I will be giving you today. So this is the page you'll be greeted with if you want to buy. So I don't want to waste much time in showing you all of the features of the P2P platform. I just want to go straight to how to buy using Binance P2P. So one of those things you have to decide first is which crypto assets are you buying, and then are they directly available on the Binance P2P page, or probably you may just even want to buy a fiat. For there's a tokenized fiat currency here. As you can see, there's NGN, that's Naira, tokenized Naira. So you can go to that. There's USDT, there's BTC. Currently we are on the page of USDT. That's the market, USDT market. So you can go to BTC market, you can go to BUSD market, you can go to BNB market. BNB is Binance coin. BUSD is Binance version of it's a Binance version of crypto tokenized USD. That's dollar. We call them stablecoin. So BUSD is a stablecoin of dollar. USDT is also a stablecoin for dollar. Ethereum is a complete crypto coin. BNB, a complete crypto coin as well. SOL, Solana is also a complete crypto coin. So depending on the one you want to buy. So if you want to buy Naira and then convert it to whatever crypto asset you want to buy later, you can go to Naira. Okay, this person, the first seller, is saying he's going to sell 1 Naira to you for 1.01 Naira. So you are paying extra 1 kobo on the 1 Naira tokenized Naira that he is selling to you. So you can see the lower you go, the higher the prices. So the least price is always at the top. So let's say it's USDT. I will advise USDT or BUSD. Okay, I think I will take BUSD above USDT because BUSD is backed up, is well secured by Binance, and we know Binance is the biggest company in the crypto world, so they've built their credibility over time. USDT is also a credible asset. In fact, it's one of the most used stable coin. It's also a very good coin. You have nothing to fear in selecting either of these. You get it. So currently the list price for USDT is 770.44 Naira, so which means you are buying 1 USDT for this price. So as you can see, the lower you go, the higher the prices. So the list price always at the top and the most expensive one at the bottom. So that is that. So let's assume that okay, we want to buy. So you can see we are on the buy page. That is, you want to buy. That's the buy or sell is on your side. So we are on the buy page for ourselves now. We are buying, but to everybody on this page, they are selling. They are willing to sell to us if you agree to their terms and their prices. So one is willing to sell one USDT for 770, another one for 771, another one for 773.99, whatever. So that's it. If you agree to that price, then you look at the so they are selling, we are buying. And then if we come to sell section, we are the ones selling, but these are the ones that are willing to buy. These ones are willing to buy from us at this price, so they've set their price. Okay, sorry. So let's assume we want to buy, as that's the main focus of this video. So we are buying, we want to buy USDT. You decide that, then the next thing you want to check is the limit the person is selling. Like this person now is saying this limit, he's saying is not selling less than 40,000 naira and not more than 81,173 and 50 kobo. Then the next one is saying at this price 774 naira per USDT, he is selling not less than 200,000 naira and not more than 249,000 naira. So you get it. So that's the limit. That's one of those things you consider. Then let's assume you are buying up to 40,000 naira. Then you check the credibility of the seller. Okay, this seller has performed 6,863 trades and 93% of them were successful. This is a good trader as much as everyone on this page. Even for me that I am experienced, if I were to see somebody whose rating is 1%, let's assume he performed 100 trades and only 1% was successful. For me, I can still, due to my level of experience, I can still buy from the person. So because I know the way we go about it in resolving the issue if the person is unwilling to release the coin on time. So you cannot be scammed once you follow these rules that I am about to give you. Okay, now let's assume you find it difficult strolling, that you don't want to stress yourself. Maybe you are even the type that want to buy a token not more than let's say 1,000, 2,000 naira, because it's even possible on this page. Okay, USDT, a fraction of USDT that is no more than probably 2,000 naira. Then what you have to do is to come to this filter section. Once you get to this filter section, you click the amount you are willing to buy. You want to filter 2,000 naira. So in Nigeria, of course, it's bank transfer. Select bank transfer, then confirm. So as you can see, there is currently no seller that is willing to sell 2,000 naira. So what do? You look at the list price that this okay, let me try one of the features that Binance just okay, don't worry, let's go to 10,000 naira and see if there is a seller that is willing to sell for 10,000 naira. Okay, so you see we can even see 8,000 naira, 5,000 naira, 4,000 naira minimum. So okay, so that is that. You check on any one of them. So as you can see now, these ones are more expensive because they are selling smaller amounts, they are smaller limits. So you can imagine the one that is willing to sell for 40,000 the other time has a price of 770. This one has a price of 783, and then if you continue to go down, you see even more than 800 naira per USDT. You get it. So then you can then buy depending. Okay, so let's now see the rules. So now once you've made those decisions, that is the limit, the amount you want to buy, then the completion rate of the seller, 99%, 100%, whatever, then you click on buy. So now I won't be able to go through all these stages of buying because I don't want to test and fail, because if I actually click buy and the seller is expecting money, Binance will query me that why did I click buy without sending money to the person. So you get it. So though I can later cancel later, but it will reduce my percentage rate on the platform, so people won't trust me, because I used to post ad too. For instance, this will be a video for another day. You too, you can appear on this list. That is, you too, you can decide to say, okay, I want to sell for 900 naira. I want to sell USDT for 900 naira, and your own will appear here too as well. So there's no big deal in that if you meet the requirement. So alright, so let's say you want to buy, you click the amount you want to buy. We said 10,000 naira the other time, you click 10,000 naira. So for 10,000 naira you are going to get 12.84 USDT. You get it, 12.84 USDT. That's the amount of USDT you are going to get. Don't forget, USDT is roughly equivalent to dollar. So 1 USDT is approximately equals to $1. So it's a stable coin backed by US dollars. So you get it. Okay, so once you do that, you click on buy. Now when you click on buy, it's going to show you, okay, I think I can still click, or the ad has been refreshed. So oftentimes this page refreshes because a buyer might have taken this first option, so this first option may not be available again, so you need to refresh this page. Then you see a new amount. You can see 783. Okay, so depending, you click buy. So the app refreshes oftentimes to ensure that you have the latest price offers. So once you click on buy, it's going to show you the account of the person. You can see the person accepts bank transfer. So once you are convenient with all of this, you say make payment. Once you click on make payment, it's going to show you the account number to which you can transfer the amount you are buying 10,000 naira to the person. So don't be afraid. The thing is, me, I'm not transferring now, so I'm going to cancel this. So it's not good for my rating if I still want to show you. So you click on sell. You copy this account number and then note the bank name. Then go and transfer from your bank app or probably via USSD to the person. So now once you have done that, come back to this page. Now you click on make payment. When you click on make payment, you just come and say you have transferred money to this person. You just come and confirm that okay, I am making payment to this account. You select the one you are transferring to. So once you select the one you are transferring to, it's going to tell you, okay, have you transferred this? Confirm if you have transferred this. Immediately you send it from your bank app. Don't even wait to receive any notification. As long as you have clicked on send, come here and click confirm that you have sent this money to this person. Are you getting me? So once you have done that, the person will, once he gets the alert, we go to his own page too, and then confirm the transfer to you, and instantly the USDT, the crypto, will land in your wallet. And this is where you are going to see it. We are on the home page now. The last section, which is the wallet, you go to wallet and then come to funding. Sorry, not margin. You come to funding. Under funding, click on P2P. Sorry. So under funding, you are going to see the amount here as in the available balance. You're going to see the amount in the available balance. Then you can now transfer to spot. So once it gets to spot, you are ready to trade with your USDT. I hope that is clear. So now that's a long procedure, some of you will say. Before now, there used to be, okay, even till now, sorry, there's Express. So Express will save you the time of trying to look for the best offer in the market. So with Express, you just say, okay, let's say I'm buying 2,000 naira worth of a USDT. You then click on, okay, you select payment vector. That's you can click, make it match by payment method, which is what you have selected on your. I will show you that one later, which is bank transfer. Then you click on buy. So now once you click on buy, it's going to show you the latest offer. Now in the market today, there is no offer of 2,000 naira. So let's go for offer of 5,000 naira. Once you click on buy, it's going to show you the cheapest price as of that time. So instantly you transfer money to this person. Just click on purchase. It's going to show you the bank account of the person. Transfer to the person. Confirm that you have transferred on the app, and then the person will release the money to you. That's how it works. So now Binance just introduced another way of depositing crypto on your Binance wallet, quick and easy, and that's the Cashlink. Okay, now for Cashlink, you need to go to this deposit engine. So Cashlink is a gateway to you getting your fiat currency itself, not a stable coin, not a cryptonized fiat, but this is your normal fiat. So Cashlink is a gateway to get your fiat currency onto this Binance platform. If you are in Nigeria, this will be very good if you want to get your naira directly. The naira on P2P is cryptonized, that is, you can trade with it on the crypto platform, but this one you can trade with it directly. You have to convert it to a crypto asset first before you trade with it. So it's like funding directly. So this is a direct fund. It's a gateway to getting your fiat currency onto the platform. Okay, so click on deposit NGN on your home tab. You wait for it to load. Okay, and here we are. All right, so the default is okay for me, but depending on what you think you have, for Nigerians, of course, you want to deposit naira. If you are from other countries, check your fiat currency here. You can see there are a host of options available, so you can scroll through them to select yours. And then I want to choose bank transfer. You can as well choose e-wallet, but for the sake of this video, I want to choose bank transfer. So with bank transfer, I then click continue. On Binance part, Binance charges no fee for all of these transactions, at least not for now. So Binance will not charge you anything. So once you click that, you select, you type the amount you want to deposit. Let's say you want to deposit 10,000. You can see minimum is 100 for my account. Minimum is 1,000 naira. So let's say you want to deposit 10,000 naira. You type 10,000 naira, the amount, and then click continue. So it's going to provide you with options which you can choose from. So you can see, you can decide to choose from any of these customers that are available. All of them, as displayed there, charge 100 naira for 10,000 naira transactions. So you can choose from any one of them. So you choose from any one of them and then send your request. So you will be asked, the account of the person will be provided. You send money into the account and then the person will credit your Binance account with the agreed amount, which is since they are charging 100 naira, you'll be getting 9,900, but you will send 10,000 to the account, so you get it. So that's how it works, guys, just like P2P. I hope you find this video helpful. Kindly like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on notifications so that you can know when I post the next video. Thank you.